Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from your Tangem wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely, especially with the fast-paced changes in the blockchain world. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, so let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have your Tangem wallet app installed and updated on your device, and that you have some SHIB tokens in it. Also, ensure you have a verified Kraken account set up to receive the funds. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to your portfolio. Locate your SHIB holdings and select them to begin the transfer process. Step 2. In the Tangem app, choose the Send or Withdraw option for SHIB. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so keep that handy. Step 3. Head over to your Kraken account on a web browser or app. Log in, go to the Deposit section, and select SHIB. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in the Tangem wallet, paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of SHIB you want to send. Remember to check for any network fees, as they can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including the address and amount, to make sure everything is correct. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with your wallet's security PIN or biometric feature. After you send it, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to an hour or more to confirm, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your Kraken account for the funds to appear. A quick tip: always use official apps and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that knowledge together. See you in the next video.